Hi, my name is James and I'm from BlindsbyPost. And today I'm going to show you how to measure for a wave track and curtain. Measuring for wave curtains is super easy and very similar to measuring for a blind, as our wave curtains also come with the track. To measure up, you're going to need 4 things. A pen or pencil to write down your measurements, a piece of paper, a metal tape measure for accuracy, and your smartphone, tablet or computer to upload your measurements directly to our website. Please also take note of any obstructions such as window or door handles and how far they protrude to ensure that your curtain clears these. For a recess fitting track between 2 walls, you need to measure the full width and height of the recess where you'd like the curtains to fill the space. Measure in 3 places along the width and the drop, submitting the smallest measurement. Do not make any deductions from these measurements, as we will make the necessary deductions. When fitting outside a recess, we recommend to measure the recess and then add extra overlap to the sides to minimise light leakage and to ensure good coverage. We recommend a minimum overlap of 15 cm to the top and 15 cm to the sides, depending on obstructions. For the bottom, please check for any obstructions such as radiators, which may prevent any overlapping. Now that you have your measurements, head over to our website and order your new curtains.